Hello guys, in this video we will solve practice set 37, practice set 26 and practice set 28 from the chapter equations, Maharashtra board grade 6. Okay, so the first question says different mathematical operations are given in two rows below. Find out the number you get in each operation and make equations. So what you have to do is equate. So let's take 16 divided by 2. It says 16 divided by 2. So what is 16 divided by 2? Yes, it's 8. 16 divided by 2 is 8. To check, you can multiply 8 and 2 and you get 16. So now, then second, 5 multiplied by 2. 5 multiplied by 2 is 10. Third one, 9 plus 4. 9 plus 4 is 13. Fourth one, 72 divided by 3. For this, you carry out division to avoid any kind of mistakes. 7 3 twos are 6, so subtract 6, then you get 2 and you get 24. So 24. See what we did, 3 multiplied by 2 is 6, we subtracted that, then we got 1, then we took this 2 down, and we know 3 multiplied by 4 is 12, so we get the remainder to be 0 and our answer to be quotient to be 24. Then fifth one, 4 plus 5 is 9. Now 6, 8 multiplied by 3. 8 multiplied by 3 is 24. 7, 19 minus 10. 19 minus 10 is 9. 8, 10 minus 2. 10 minus 2 is 8. Then we have 9. 37 minus 27. 37 minus 27 if you carry out is 10. See, 7 minus 7 0 and you get 1 here. Then 10. 6 plus 7. 6 plus 7 when you carry out is 13. So when you make pairs, what you get is, see, you get 8 in the first one, so 8 and 8. So these are pairs, 16 by 2 and 10 by 2. I will pick a different color for each one. And you get 10 here and also you get 10 here. So you get 10 on this one and you get 10 on this one. This next, 9 plus 4 you know is 13 and also 6 plus 7 is 13. So this is also a pair. Next, 72 divided by 23. 72 divided by 3 is 24 and 8 multiplied by 3 is also 24. Next one, 4 plus 5 is 9 and 19 minus 10 is also 9. So these are our pairs. Okay, so I hope you get this. Let us move on to the next exercise. Next practice set. It's practice set 27. Rewrite using a letter the sum of certain number and 3. So we can pick any letter. You can pick A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Any one of them. Generally, what we use is X, the letter X. Okay, and people write X like this, C like this. This is also X to avoid confusion between multiplication and the X. So I prefer this one, which I am circling currently. So I prefer that. You can use any letter you want, A, B, C, D, E till Z, whichever letter you want. So let us start with A, the sum of certain number and 3. Now what the steps are, let the certain number be X, or let's say be A. If you are not much comfortable with A, not so you can write A. See, why do we do this? Rewrite the following using a letter. Certain number, they have not mentioned which number. We don't know which number, but we know that sum of a certain number and 3. We have to write the equation for this. So let the certain number be something like A and 3 sum. Sum means addition. The sum means addition. Difference means subtraction. Product means multiplication. And times also means multiplication. the sum of certain number and 3. So let the certain number be a and 3. So a plus 3. A can be anything. For example, if you want, you can assume a to be 10. So 10 plus 3 will be 13. But you can't assume. They have not mentioned. Until and unless they don't mention, you can't do anything. The difference obtained by subtracting 11 from another number. Let the another number be b. Okay, b. And you can highlight b like this. A also. So difference obtained by subtracting 11 from another number. 11 from another number. This is important. From another number. So from another number means b minus 11. How to remember? Subtract 5 from 10. So 5 from 10. You have to take out 5 from 10. Subtract 5 from 10 means remove 5 from 10. So 10 is bigger. So you will write 10 first and then 5. For this was an example just to understand the wordings. Okay. And after this one, now let us solve 3. The product of 15 and another number. So let the another number be C. So the product of 15 and another number. So it says 15 multiplied by C. The product of 15 and another number. So another number is C. So 15 multiplied by C. So you can write it to be 15C. 15C. When there is a number and variable, there is no need to write multiplication sign. Okay. So next one, rewrite the following using a letter. The sum of 4 times a number is 24. Okay, this is tricky. Let the number be D. D is your number. 4 times a number is 24. So 4 multiplied by one number is 24. So we can write it as 4 multiplied by this number D. We don't know what the number is. It's 24. We can find out what the number is, but that's not asked. But still we will find out. We will find out. Okay. So this says that 4 times a number D is 24. So you know this is a multiplication. This is alone. So how to find D? To find D, we had discussed this in the summary notes, and if you have not accessed summary notes, then you can find it in the link in the description, and also my previous videos about equation summary notes, where we have shown example and how to carry out, like how to find the variable, how to find solution to the equation. We have discussed all that in summary notes. You can go through them once, and also you will come to know in the video. So 4 multiplied by D is 24. You write therefore sign here. So you know this is in multiplication. So when you shift it from left hand side to right hand side, LHS means left hand side and RHS means right hand side. So what happens is it gets divided. Multiplication becomes division. See, multiplication becomes division. Division becomes multiplication. Addition becomes subtraction. Subtraction becomes addition. When you shift from right hand side to left hand side or left hand side to right hand side. Both is same. You might find these words a little complicated, but as we do examples, see, question 2 is entirely about this, what we just talked now. Question 2 is entirely about this. So when you solve all the questions, you will get an idea. Even question 3 is all about this. So if you solve the 3 questions properly, you will get the answer to your queries. Okay, so D, you can write it to be 24 divided by 4. This was in multiplication. We sent it to right hand side and it got divided. And now you know 24 divided by 4 is 6. So D is 6. This was not asked in the question. We just did it. Okay, so let's wrap this video. It's around like 9 minutes and 50 seconds. So I hope you get this. The link for the notes, summary notes, is in the description. And if you have missed the previous lessons, don't worry, you can find all the links in the description. Like we studied operations on fractions, quadrilaterals. Now we are doing equations and so on. Okay, so I hope you get this. Thank you. Have a great day.